Hey guys, Bruce from Sell Pro here. All right, so a customer came in with this Bissell. It's model number 2078C. The sign on my door says that I repair everything. The customer took this literally and then brought this in, even though it refers to electronics. I decided, okay, well, what's the purpose and why I started the business? And it's to try and keep items out of the landfill. And therefore, if I didn't try and help this customer out with this generally inexpensive item, I suspect these run about $150 to $200, it would likely be going to the landfill. Anyways, I was able to diagnose the issue and find out that based on what the customer was telling me, steam was not coming out of here and then going into the mop head. In determining where to start, we noticed that this is where the water comes from, and there is a little steel ball in there. That little steel ball is meant to allow this to sink to the bottom and therefore act as a efficient straw picking up all the water because this is heavy. In doing so, this little ball starts to develop calcium inside it. So what I did is I put it in some CLR, as well as I stuck a pin in it and worked out the calcium. And as you can see, plug the item in. And I don't want to damage the countertop, so I'm going to put a little thing there. And as you can see, it's now producing significant steam as it should. There we go, and voila, this Bissell 2078C is now working as it should. Thank you very much, guys. Feel free to thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel. As previously stated, I most of the time do electronic repairs. This, I guess, is slightly electronic, but mostly to do with maintenance. All right, thank you very much, guys. Take care.